it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We finally got an opportunity. It didn't take long to use that Autowit magic box. You know, the jump pack that doesn't require charging. Those that really enjoy the Barry White project, well, here he is, and here he sits most of the time. We don't use Barry White a whole lot. However, we do have a parasitic drawer in Barry White, and I think the parasitic drawer is actually the automatic start module. But we've been able to deal with Barry just by starting him up every 3-4 days, 5 days usually. But we went away for a few days, and I guess it was a couple days before that I had started Barry. When we got back home, I go to click the automatic start and nothing. So I'll show you. So Barry here, I'm actually looking at ordering some new lights for Barry. I don't know about the grill. I don't know if I want to go with a black grill. I don't know. Do I go? That's for another video. So anyway, here's Barry's front end. It's got a cheap automatic start in it where you double press. Oh, I got nothing at all. Oh, it's not even locking or unlocking. There's nothing. Okay, so this is going to be a real good test case because Barry might be completely dead. The other day, I was able to at least get a little clicking. I got nothing. I don't have a click. All right, there's my key. Not a click, nothing. So we're going to take that key out. I'm going to leave it on the seat. Yeah, Barry's jacked up seat. I got to work on that too. I'm going to pop the hood. I don't even have interior lights, nothing. Nothing. So this might be no good for the Autowit. So when I went to start Barry a few days ago, I guess we came home Monday, so it had to be Tuesday morning. It clicked, and it gave me horn feedback, beep, 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 3 beeps on the horn, or 2 beeps on the horn, 3 presses on the remote, 2 beeps on the horn, and it starts up. And it clicked, it beeped, it clicked, and it didn't start up. We're gonna take out our Autowit jump box. Let me get it out of the package, and I'll show you what we got. So here's our jump pack, just like we showed you in a previous video when we did the unboxing. And then it's got jumper cables in the guy there, so black to negative, red to positive. So now I'm gonna open up my side door. I am going to plug it in, and let's see if the battery's got any juice in it at all. This battery has nothing. So get it out of the glare, but right here is where you would see it starting to open up, but this battery's not reading anything. So let's get a meter out and let's confirm with a meter how dead this battery really is. What do we have in there? We'll take a multimeter, DC volts, 1.86 volts in the battery. So I'm going to take these off just for shits and giggles, because I wonder if there's residual voltage in the unit itself. Let's see what we got. 1.9 now. So this thing was trying to suck juice out of the battery, but there's just not enough juice in the battery to do anything. So this will give us an opportunity to see if this unit will work on a stone dead battery, if this was the situation. Because this is one of the selling points of this, is that, hey, if your battery is completely dead, you can take it in the house. And we're gonna go in the house. We'll go in the garage, and we're gonna plug in the Autowit, and we will see if how long it takes, first of all, and if it will do what it's supposed to do. So here in the garage, Put a light on, make things easier. I got a little phone charger up there. Now there's two ways to do this. You can use it through a USB and a mini, well, micro, I don't know which is which, but these two guys here. Or you can use a 12-volt cigarette lighter. So if a friend of yours, you got somebody with a car nearby, you could do it that way also. So we're gonna plug this guy into here. We're gonna plug this guy in right here. And you see it powered up, and it's charging at it said 5 initially, but 4.7 volts, and 6, 7, we're seeing how it goes, 8, 9, so what are we, 10 seconds in, 15 seconds in, let me set a timer. Stopwatch, start, okay, so we'll do this minus 20 seconds or so, and we'll see how long it takes. I'm guessing 20 seconds is that we had it in. It's at 16% right now. I'll let you know. So it was at 4.7, the majority of the charging. It hit 99% at about 31 minutes or so. You can see now it started to fluctuate to 4.8, now 4.9. So I guess as it's finishing up, it's not taking as much voltage maybe from the USB box, because now it's 4.9 and it was 4.7 when it was really charging along. Of course I missed it when I had. So there you go, it's at 100%, and now it's saying voltage 15.4, 15.5. I guess that's the voltage in the box now. So I will take it, we'll go out to Barry White, and we'll see if this thing can start a battery that's down to 1.9 volts. All right, so I plugged this into the side. In the time it took me to walk out here, which was just about a minute, I was trying to set the camera up, it did turn off. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to hit this button on the side. I hit the button, it's turning it on. All right, and it's saying jump start. It should give me some kind of countdown. Yep, there's the countdown. It's gonna give a 7-second countdown. I'll get the key in. All right, it's holding steady after the 10-second countdown. And yeah, it started it. That's pretty impressive. So that was from 1.9 volts left. Not enough to wake this thing and charge it. Saying finished on the display. So I guess I could just take the alligator clips off, pull it out, and it's running. Not what I was expecting, only because I thought there would be enough voltage to charge this thing up, but that was a good test for how long it takes. So it took approximately 35 minutes or so. You saw better than me because I don't even remember now, but about 35 minutes to charge this using a USB connection. The next time, you know, you gotta wait a little while because it's at 91% now. So maybe in a couple days we'll do the next vehicle, because we do have another dead one, but that should have residual voltage in it. But that's for this one. So that's the Autowit super capacitor. I call it the magic jump box because it doesn't need to be charged up ahead of time, unless your battery is completely dead. Then in a half hour you could be jumping it, and that was dead. So dead. I can't talk today. So that was it. Autowit super capacitor magic box, and on the USB it took 35 minutes and it started. I mean, that battery is deader than dead at 1.9 volts. Not even the interior dome lights, nothing at all. Couldn't use the door locks or anything, and it struggled a little bit, but it got it started. I'm sold. I think one of these should be in all the kids' cars. Easy enough. Thanks for watching.